the most powerful weapon on today's battlefield isn't a jet, a tank, or even a missile, but something that costs less than a smartphone. We're talking about low-cost combat drones, especially FPV, first-person view drones. Just a few years ago, wars were dominated by billion-dollar machines, stealth fighters slicing through the sky, armored tanks rolling across borders, and precision missiles striking from miles away. Power meant size, cost, and advanced technology. But today, that idea is being challenged in ways no one expected. Across multiple conflicts, a new pattern is emerging. Expensive systems, worth millions, are being tracked, targeted, and sometimes destroyed by tools that cost a fraction of that price. Small drones, often built using commercial components, are changing how battles are fought. They don't need runways, they don't need massive crews, and they don't always need to return. These FPV drones are controlled in real time by an operator wearing goggles, seeing exactly what the drone sees. They can fly low, avoid detection, and strike with surprising accuracy. Some are used for surveillance, quietly watching from above, feeding live data back to operators. Others are turned into loitering munitions, flying directly into targets with explosive payloads. And because they're cheap, often costing just a few $100s, they can be deployed in large numbers. This creates a new kind of pressure on advanced defenses. Systems designed to stop fast jets and missiles now have to deal with dozens of small, slow, low-flying threats at once. Now think about this. If a $1 million system is taken out by something that costs just a few $100s, who is really winning that exchange? This is where modern warfare becomes less about who has the most advanced technology and more about who uses it the smartest. Even the world's most advanced air defense systems face this challenge. They were built to detect large, high-speed targets, but small drones can slip through gaps, exploit blind spots, and force expensive systems to react, sometimes using costly interceptors against extremely cheap targets. And it's not just about defense. Offensively, these drones are reshaping strategy. Instead of relying only on high-value assets, forces are now combining traditional firepower with swarms of low-cost drones. It's a shift from power through dominance to power through adaptability. But here's where it gets even more interesting. High-end platforms like stealth jets haven't become useless. Far from it. They still play a critical role in long-range strikes, intelligence gathering, and complex missions. The difference is, they're now part of a bigger system, not the only solution. In fact, many modern militaries are now balancing both worlds, combining cutting-edge technology with cost-effective tools like drones. Because in today's battlefield, it's not just about having the best weapon, it's about having the right one for the right situation. And that raises a bigger question. If warfare is evolving this fast, where does it go next? Will future battles be dominated by swarms of autonomous drones? Will artificial intelligence take over targeting decisions? Or will humans always stay in control? One thing is clear, what we're seeing now is only the beginning of a much larger transformation. Because in modern warfare, the biggest advantage doesn't always come from the most expensive machine. Sometimes it comes from something small, cheap, and unexpectedly powerful.